Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to stay anonymous on the internet. There is something known as TailsOS. TailsOS is an operating system that is specially designed to stay secure online. Now this OS does not show or leave any kind of traces on your computer, and the best part is it is free. It comes with pre-installed Tor browser and it is system wide. So in case if you don't know what is Tor browser, it is known as onion routing, and like an onion it has a lot of layers between your connection. So not just one proxy, you have multiple layers of connections and VPNs, and it is completely anonymous, and at the best part is you cannot trace anyone on this browser. It's really hard to trace back to the original user. So once you go to their official website, you have a lot of instructions on how to install it on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. In this video, I'll show you a brief demonstration of how to install TailsOS on a virtual system. So first thing is you can download the TailsOS and it comes in an image file. But right now I'll be using an ISO image because in case if you want to create a bootable disk, you can create it with an ISO image. There are detailed instructions with screenshots available on the official website on how to install it for various operating system. So right now I've just downloaded the ISO image and I'm going to install it on a virtual system. In case if you don't know what is virtual system, VMware or VirtualBox is used to create a virtual machine inside your own machine. So as you can see, I have the Tails ISO image and I'll just create a new virtual machine and select, drag and drop the OS. Now Tails is basically a Debian based operating system and it's a Linux flavor. So in Linux we have various kind of kernels and Tails works with the Debian version. You can configure it depending on your requirement. I'm going to use 2 GB memory and 2 CPUs. You can save it, and if you want you can delete the whole VM disk. While it's booting, I would like to tell you TailsOS directly runs on your pen drive or USB flash drive or even on the DVD drive on which you are booting it. And the best part is you don't need much hardware configuration for Tails. It's a plain operating system that runs directly on the bootable disk and does not leave any traces on the hard disk or any other part of your computer. And I would personally recommend you can use it on any hardware that you have, even without a storage disk available on the system. And the best part is it uses the Tor network, which is the onion routing throughout the system. So once you run the TailsOS, the first thing that you will see is the instruction screen or the welcome to Tails page, where you can select the language, keyboard layout and the format of your country. So there is also one more mode available, that is persistent mode, which basically allows you to keep the changes on the USB storage. It won't be stored on the storage that is available on the computer like the hard disk or SSD. You also have additional systems and additional settings, like you can use unsafe or safe browser and also change the MAC address. Once this is done, just click on Start Tails, which will take you to this page. Now over here you have to configure Tor automatically, or you can hide the network that I am connecting to the Tor. I personally recommend to connect automatically, so your connection will be through the Tor browser or the Onion network. So I'll click on connect to Tor, and you will notice that once this is done, you will be taken inside the TailsOS. Now TailsOS, as I told you, it is completely anonymous, and you can click on start browser. You can also click on view Tor circuits, which will show you all the circuits that are available, and it will take you through all the routings. So as you can see, there are a lot of nodes via which the internet is coming. So there are a lot of layers between your connection and the website that you are visiting. So I'll click on start Tor browser, and you will notice that we are inside the TailsOS inside the Tor browser. Now Tor browser is quite anonymous, but Tails also comes with a lot of other tools like secret password manager. There are other tools as well, like for internet connection you also have a normal Thunderbird browser. You also have some multimedia features for viewing videos and other content. The best part that I personally like is inside the utilities you have the VeraCrypt volumes. So you can unlock VeraCrypt volumes using the Tails. I hope you liked the video. In case if you want more cybersecurity content, then please hit the subscribe button, because I keep on uploading new videos regularly. So in case if you are someone like me who likes cybersecurity, then please subscribe and leave a comment.